Amazonia is a health food company that specialises in importation around the world from manufacturers of the acai berries, as well as we focus not only the frozen side and export up to 70 to 100 containers per annum around the world of acai. We also focus in on plant protein, which we manufacture here in the Gold Coast. You know, we don't want to be the biggest in the market, but we want to be the quality and want to stand by a position that actually helps the consumer. So, you know, part of a number of initiatives that we got going here in our innovation hub, obviously there's significant product development and initiatives that we've taken on board. And, you know, we're really focusing on good whole food nutrients and plant protein. And then the other one is we've really focused in on packaging, particularly for our thing, completely sustainable, completely recyclable from the whole package. And we've actually invested in machinery to fill this packaging and everything like that. So there's a number of key things that have come from this innovation hub already. And now we're starting to really move that through the business. And not only does this work for us here in Australia as an innovation, but we're bringing packaging innovation, product innovation globally. Yeah, so we've had a number of grants and we've worked with the City of Gold Coast. We've been part of many events in the form of international export events where we've met buyers and talked to buyers, and we do have a number of good contacts in that space as well. That has been derived from the City of Gold Coast's help. Gold Coast is a gorgeous, beautiful place. It epitomises our brand. It's sun, it's great weather, it's a great lifestyle in Australia, part of Queensland. Well, I believe there's a significant amount of advantages in the sense that not only do we have a great work-life balance for everyone that comes and is part of Amazonia, but we've also got, we're very central still. You know, we're just near, there's Amazon down there and everything like that. We're in a great business central component. To get that central as well as lifestyle, which is what we're all about, is lifestyle and what we want our employees all to be about as well, is a nice rare combination. And Gold Coast, as you can see, is a hustle and bustle and up and coming place, right? So, you know, we're excited to be a part of the growth of this whole region, really.